Organic ground beef, 100% grass-fed, 85% lean, no GMO, no antibiotics, no growth hormones. USDA. 100% grass-fed. Here's the fat and 0 carbs, of course. Instead of a taco seasoning packet with wheat and silicon dioxide, use fresh ingredients. Fresh onions and garlic if you have it, if not, powdered. Other ingredients in the taco seasoning are iodized salt, chili powder, paprika, garlic and onion powder or fresh ground pepper. Brown the very lean ground meat in a ceramic frying pan. No need to strain the oil because there's only a drop. And add in those seasonings. Save time from cutting onions, garlic, and tomatoes by using salsa. Per 1 pound of ground beef, add in about a 1/4 cup of filtered water after the seasoning and let it simmer. Make sure you fully brown the meat and cook it well before adding the paprika. Try to let pick your poisonous hot sauce. Save carbs, wrap it in romaine,